Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next topic of our geography series, and the topic we are going to discuss today will be landforms. And here we will be discussing various kind of landforms. We in the previous video we saw various kind of landforms, that is fluvial landform, glacial landform, karst landform, coastal landform. Now all these landforms have their erosional and depositional features. So we will see all them, and we will see how these landforms create various kinds of erosional or depositional landforms. Okay, how this? Okay, so before starting, I must say that please do make notes, because the notes you will make will immensely help you in revisions. So please do make your notes. Now let's start the video. So the first landform we are going to discuss is fluvial landform. Fluvial landform, generally you see fluvial landform is created by rivers. So river oriented landforms are known as fluvial landform. It is here you can divide the landforms in three parts. So first one is the young phase of a river, that is young fluvial landform. Then we have mature phase. Then you have old phase. So you will see that in young phase the features are generally erosional. So the young phase you will see that the erosional features are relatively very higher. So generally erosion will be seen here. In mature phase you will see observe both erosion and deposition. While as in old phase you will generally observe about deposition. Generally the erosion from the young and mature phase is deposited by the rivers in the old phase. So there are various landforms which they create. So first of all, let's see the landforms of young phase. So in young phase, you will see that the V-shaped valleys are created. V-shaped valley, you will find gorges, you will find rapids, cataracts, waterfalls, rapids, cataracts, waterfalls. So these all can be observed in the young phase of the river. Next, we have the mature phase. So in mature phase, you will find the development of alluvial cones, alluvial alluvial cones, alluvial cones. Then you will see U-shaped valleys. Although sometimes in mature fields also V-shaped valleys are also formed. Please remember. Okay, U-shaped valleys. Generally they are U-shaped, but sometimes they can be V-shaped also. Meanders are formed. Okay, they meander in this phase only, rivers meander. Then they also form slip and slope, slip of, slope, and river cliff. So all these are formed in mature phase of the river. Then we have old phase. So in old phase, you will generally see oxbow lakes. Then you will see floodplains, and you can see deltas, the formation of deltas. So it's very important. Several times they will simply give you that which of the following features can be found in the old phase of river. They will give you four options: alluvial cones, U-shaped valleys, meander, oxbow lakes, and you have to find the right one. So there are high chances of questions from these landforms. So please do write it. It will be helpful. So this was about first landform, that is the fluvial landform. Now let's move to the second one, that is glacial landform. Glacial landform. Again, in glacial landform, you will find erosional and depositional features. Erosional landforms and depositional landforms. So we will first discuss about erosional ones. So regional erosional landforms are creek, we have quarries, and we have tarn. So these are, secondly we will find Arites, then you will find horns, pyramidal peak, and these are also known as nunataks. So you will find like this. So sometimes they are also known as horns, as they shape like horn, or they are also known as pyramidal peaks. You will also find glacial trough and hanging valleys. Hanging valleys. You will find Jord Coast. They have asked about Jord in the mains examination once, so please do remember it. Moraines are found. Moraines. Roche mountains are found. Roche mountains. Roche mountain. So these are the erosional landforms found in glacial regions. Okay. Now we will see depositional ones. In depositional, you will find outwash plains. You will find iskers. You will find erratics. You will find drumlins. Drumlins are also known as basket of egg topography. Basket of egg topography. And you will also find glacial till, which is also known as boulder clay. Boulder clay. So these are the erosional and depositional landforms found in glaciers. So this was about glacial landform. Now let's move to the alien landform. Alien landform. So alien landform, as the name only suggests, these are formed by air, and these can be generally found in deserts, because there are a lot of landforms that are formed in deserts due to the movement of airs. So you should know it. And when it comes to desert, I am highlighting one thing here. There are three kinds of desert. First one is the erg desert, which means sandy desert. Next we have reg desert, which means stony desert, and we have then hamada desert, which means rocky desert. So please do remember this. Now in alien landforms also you will find two types of landforms. First one is the erosional. Two types. First one is the erosional, and the second types are depositional. So first we will discuss about the erosional ones. So in erosional you will find the mushroom rocks. You will find Jugar. You will find Yardams. Do right, keep writing these names. Okay. You will find Mesa. You will find Booty. You will find Pinnacle. You will find Inselbergs. You will find deflation hollow. Okay. Deflation hollow. And you will also find very facts and dry canter. This is V. Very facts and dry canter. So these are erosional ones. And although remembering all these landforms are not easy, but once you keep revising again and again, you will get some idea of it. So please do revise these things. And depositional, you will find sand dunes. So there are two kinds of sand dunes which you will generally found. One is Burchans, and another one is the Seafs. So Burchans and Seafs are depositional landforms. Burchans they are sometimes, so do remember it. Then they will also found Leos deposits. So these are the depositional and original landforms found in alien topography or alien landforms. Next we have karst landforms. So karst, that is formed due to the underground water. So again, and one thing you should remember that they are formed in areas rich in limestone. Formed in areas rich in limestone. Again, they have erosional and depositional landforms. Erosional, depositional. So first of all, we will see erosional ones. In erosional, you will find sinkhole. You will find shallow hole. Shallow hole. You will find doline. You will find uvala. This is V. UVAL. Uvala. You will find jol. Sorry, polj. POLJE. Polj. You will find caves, and deep inside caves, you will find different other landforms such as uh, in deep inside such as spelotherms. You will also find deep inside caves spelotherms. So these are the erosional landforms. Now we'll move to depositional. So depositional, they are generally asked these depositional ones. These are stalagmite. Then we have stalactite. Then we have pillars. Pillars, or they are also known as columns. So these are COLUMNS, columns. So these are depositional, cast depositional, and erosional landforms. So please do write and keep revising. Now let's move to the coastal landforms, that is found in the coast areas due to the action of seawater. So first, in coastal you will also find erosional and depositional. So first we will find the erosional ones. We will write the erosional ones. So erosional ones are here caps and bays. We have cave arcs, stalk and stump. We have globes. We have geos. We have sea cliff and wave cut platforms. So here they sometimes ask sea cliff. So do remember it. Now let's move to depositional. The most important depositional obviously is beaches. Secondly, you will also find spits and bars, and you will find tombolo. So these are the depositional landforms of coastal areas. So we have done depositional and erosional of coast. So this was all important landforms. There were nothing that much concept. Although some concepts are there, but I don't think these are important, and they will take a lot of time to discuss all these landforms one by one. So just remember them, because maximum they will ask the landforms only. So may do remember them, and that will be enough. You will able to do a lot amount of questions if they ask from this topic. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button. Please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you regular basis, and if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you regularly. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.